How can we use Whimsical AI? Well, we open this drop down and click Create New. Here we can create various projects like a table. It'll be an empty table where we can create anything. A document, basically text, a project or a task. We can make a folder to store different items. They also provide templates like for diagrams, project management, whiteboarding. Let's pick a project management one, this one, so you can see the look and how it works. On the left, we have all the tools. They're quite intuitive, like the text section. It lets us add text. For icons, we search here, smile happy. What language? English. I'm not sure how many we've used. There aren't many. As I'm in the animals section. Let's see if the animal title, smile, there it is. So it's a way to select here too. This one lets you add it. We can also add an icons link section. We can draw freely if we want, which is pretty good. They let us choose pen types and more sections. We can create a section, color a part of the section. Let's undo, let's remove it section. We add it. As you see, we can name it here. This section is called using this template. I'll name it test white color for background, but I want it purple, I want it purple, I want it red, I want it red, and clip content to change clip content for duplicating. That's for duplicating. You can also duplicate with Alt and drag and add comments text. Well, I've already shown you how to add text using the text tool. We can generate it with AI, which is also very interesting. We can use a template if we haven't created one already. And here we simply have different diagram shapes, like this shape here for product teams. Let's say we don't want it like this. We want it round. We can do that. And it also allows us to create different branches directly. We also have wireframe mode in case we want to add a window, a window like this. It's similar to the sections feature. We can add sticky notes, simple notes, and create mind map. This, for example, would be a mind map. And here we go, creating our own drop down and our own branches. There it is, and it makes everything easier for us. Now, the mind map isn't too different from diagram shapes, but it does give us more options. Connections automatically, then task mode for adding tasks. Well, the interesting part is also this in generating AI, for example. I want a mind map for creating an AI course. I click create and it starts making the mind map, creating one for an AI course. I was very vague, I know, but it shows curriculum, content creation, strategies. We can delete it and use AI whenever we want. So that's how we can use this tool fully. We can present using this template, add comments or share it from here and export it. It's that simple.